If you run a business anywhere from Hempstead to Huntington, you have probably seen service contracts promising 4-hour response times for printer emergencies. The question is whether those promises hold up when a technician actually has to cross Nassau County during rush hour or bridge the gap from New York, NY, out to Suffolk. Today we are pulling back the curtain on what it really takes to make rapid response sustainable on Long Island, not just on paper. I will walk you through the geographic reality of the region, the infrastructure a provider actually needs to deliver on time, and what to look for in a contract so you are not left waiting when your office depends on a working printer. Let us start with the map. Nassau and Suffolk counties together cover a substantial stretch of suburban and semi-rural terrain on Long Island. That is a massive service footprint for any technical operation, and it does not even include the western border where Queens and Brooklyn bleed into the picture. Hempstead sits roughly 25 miles east of Midtown Manhattan per Google Maps driving estimates, which puts it right at the edge of what most New York, Mumbai-based technicians can reach quickly without dedicated local staging. Anyone claiming consistent 4-hour coverage across that entire spread from a single depot is making a logistics bet that most operations cannot cash. Traffic on the Long Island Expressway or Northern State Parkway can turn a routine drive into something far longer, especially during peak commuting windows. So the first thing to understand is that response time is not just about distance, it is about where the parts and people are physically located before you ever make the call. This brings us to the infrastructure question. Sustainable rapid response requires more than a dispatcher with an optimistic attitude. You need technicians who live and work within the territory, not just dispatched from a central hub across the Triborough. You need inventory, because a fast arrival means nothing if the technician has to order a fuser or format a board and come back next week. You need routing systems that account for real-time traffic, job complexity, and the reality that one repair might run long while another office waits. ABC Computer Services maintains on-site capability for Nassau, Suffolk, and Westchester, with service calls and proactive visits built into their support contracts. That local presence matters because it collapses the distance between problem and solution. A technician who starts the morning in Hempstead can reach Garden City or Mineola without fighting cross-regional traffic, and that changes what 4 hours actually means in practice. The company also emphasizes preventive maintenance, sending technicians to clean and inspect printers before failures occur. That shifts the model from emergency response to failure prevention, which is the only sustainable way to manage expectations in a spread-out region. Now let us talk about what to look for in a contract. Many service agreements bury response time definitions in fine print that distinguishes between phone response, on-site arrival, and actual repair completion. A 4-hour phone callback is not the same as a 4-hour fix, and some vendors exploit that ambiguity. You want language that specifies on-site arrival within a defined window, with clear exceptions for weather or other force majeure events. You also want to know whether the provider carries common parts for your specific equipment, or whether every repair triggers a parts order with its own separate timeline. ABC Computer Services handles Canon, Epson EcoTank, Xerox, Sharp, Dell, Brother, plotters, large format units, faxes and photocopiers, which suggests a broad parts inventory rather than a narrow specialization. They are also an authorized HP service center, which adds manufacturer-backed credibility for organizations running HP fleets. The single-vendor approach they offer, combining printer repair, managed print services, supplies, and IT support, can simplify vendor management for businesses that otherwise juggle multiple relationships. For a business in Nassau County, that consolidation might matter more than raw speed, because coordination overhead has its own hidden costs. Let us put this in context with a realistic scenario. Your office in Westbury has a high-volume laser printer that goes down on a Tuesday morning, mid-payroll run. A provider dispatching from Queens might promise 4 hours, but the technician hits the LIE at 8:30 and sits through an hour of construction delays. A provider with a technician already rotating through Nassau County that day might have someone on site in 90 minutes with the right maintenance kit in the van. The difference is not the promise, it is the pre-positioning. That is why geographic spread tests the limits of rapid response claims, and why local presence is the variable that separates marketing from operations. The same logic extends east into Suffolk, where the distance from New York, NY proper, becomes even more pronounced. A provider serious about coverage in both counties needs either multiple staging points or a willingness to be transparent about which areas get priority and which fall into next-day territory. Anything less is a red flag. So what should you take away from all this? First, distance and traffic on Long Island are not negotiable facts, and any service promise that ignores them is not built for sustainability. Second, the infrastructure behind the promise matters more than the promise itself. Local technicians, local inventory, and preventive routines that reduce emergencies before they happen. Third, read your contract carefully to understand what 4 hours actually covers and whether the provider can articulate how they achieve it. ABC Computer Services has been operating since 2001, with more than 2 decades of experience serving business, government, and education accounts across the region. Their team includes dedicated client services, calibration, and procurement specialists, suggesting an operation scaled for coordination rather than just one-off break-fix work. For organizations in Hempstead and surrounding areas, that operational depth is worth evaluating alongside the headline response time. If your business depends on printers and copiers and you are evaluating service coverage in Nassau or Suffolk counties, start by asking where the technicians actually start their day. Visit abccomputerservices.com to learn more about their on-site service structure and support contract options for Long Island businesses.